Good day to you, trader. How are you? Good morning, good evening. This is Mario from Forex Other Way. How is it going today? Are you doing well? I hope so. In this video, I will show you how to spot perfect winners on any market, building your own indicator in 5 minutes, and then I will show you the method of combining this indicator with another tools to get 100% winners. So watch this video to the end to not miss any details in order to get the whole system right. Don't leave too early, because towards the end of this video I will give you another tip with some extra settings to make the whole system nearly perfect. So let's start the rock and roll. So first things first, let's build this indie from the scratch. I will show you step by step how to do it in just 2 minutes. First I open EA Builder. This is a free software. You'll find the link below under this video. So go there, register. It's free. It's totally free. You don't need to pay anything. Indicators you can build for free whenever you want and whatever you want with any number of other indicators, indications, conditions, whatever. There is another option in this program, this free software. You can also build Expert Advisor, but this version is already paid. You have to pay one-time fee. It's not that much, but if you build Expert Advisors, it's very useful. So anyway, go there, register, and use it for free. So let's do it from the scratch. First thing I do, I've done another video how to build it. You might find it on my channel. I'll show you here very quickly how to do it. So first thing to do is to open a new file here. Let's give it any name. Let's call it Forex Other Way. Subscribe. Okay, that's the name. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel to not miss another video. So we got the name. You can put optional comments over here. It will appear somewhere there. I'll show later. Okay, so we got brand new business over here. Next thing to do, we have to add condition. One simple condition. I got it commodity channel index, period, 55. When is above the value of 0, we do OK. And here we go. We got typical value. Now we have to add how would it be shown on the chart. So let's do it this way. I'll do it somehow like this one, because I like that color. Oh, it's arrow. No, we have to do it histogram. So we got histogram. That's the way it will be displayed. The color is blue. The width, I put 4 because it has to be thicker. Current time frame, candlestick value low. It doesn't matter because it will be histogram. We put it in a separate window on the chart and click OK. So we got first condition. We add another buffer, which is opposite to this one. So we press this magic wand, and here we go. Commodity channel index, I'll show you. 55 period is below 0. We make it OK. And in this way, we just change the color to show us different color of this. Let's do it red. And here we go. On histogram, line type solid, whatever. Boom. It's done. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the common tables and change this one. This one says indicator in the chart window. We have to change it in separate window. That's it. We don't care about alerts at the moment, inputs, we leave it like that. Press source, And now what appears? Whole code. Whole code, you can read it at home in your free time, even if you've got nothing to do. Obviously, you can study it. The most important thing now, we have to copy it, boom, and it is marked all the area. Now press Ctrl C, as it says here. Press Ctrl C. I pressed it. And now we have to go to our MT4 and find MetaQuote language editor. Press F4 or just click here. And it gets opened. I got another indicator here. So we press New, we mark Custom Indicator, press Next, give a name to it. It was Forex other way subscribe. We go next, and boom, we've done. Not yet. What we have to do, click here. Now Control A to mark all the code which was created by Meta Editor, and now Control V in order to paste the code we copied from here. That's the story. Now the only thing we have to do is to compile it. We press Compile button. It shows description, Forex other way subscribe. No errors. We are done. Now we are going to our chart. Let's go here. Oh, we go here. So we open this babe and we are trying to find our Forex other way subscribe. We got it here, babe. Look, created with eabuilder.com. Common colors, we got colors defined, levels, we don't define levels. We press OK, and we are done. Look how lovely is that. I think these lines are too thick. So let's make a small correction. So I come back here, I press indicator, press this one, the width make 3, OK. Here same story. No, sorry, it's not this one. Here the width is 3, OK. Now go to source, copy, Ctrl C, go to Meta Editor, Ctrl A, Ctrl V, compile, no error. How it looks like? Even worse. Now it's OK. Now it's beautiful. OK, so here we go. Here we go, it's too big. Let's make it like that. OK, it should be, it doesn't matter. It's OK. So now what it shows us. Whenever it comes blue, we should buy. Simple. It's obvious and it's nothing special. You know how to deal with it. Look at this one. It shows, it appears blue just on the top. But when you put the stop over here, you should make some money. Not very much. Not very much. So the only indicator doesn't work as far as I know. So here, same story. It shows whenever it shows red, we should sell, like here. Here shown blue, we should buy. If we bought here, it would be a loser. 10 pips or whatever, 20 pips. But again, it shows red, like here. Boom, it goes. 40 pips. 102 pips. 124 pips. But it appeared blue already here, so it's 86 pips. And again, so as I said, the only indicator doesn't work. Guys, don't use it alone. Don't do it at home. Another one show you here. When the market, this indicator is okay when the market is trending. When it's going, it's in swings. Down, up, then it works perfect. But I wouldn't dare to use it only this indicator. What I would recommend you is another thing. Look at here. When it comes to the choppy market, it would be bloody losers everywhere. So it wouldn't work, would it? You know, have a butchers here. Have a butcher's here. It shows you sell here. It's okay, but the market starts trending here. So if you sold here, it was Friday here. On Friday, it was a signal, and people opened already with a, straight away on Monday, they opened here. The market went up 2 hours. The Japanese guys, the Australians, there's no big movements over there during the night, my time, GMT +1. So it's 1 hour chart anyway. But then the market started falling. So as I told you, during the trending markets, it works perfect. When you change to the 4 hours charts, look, it's the same story. It works. It does. It gives you a signal wherever it is. You got some fakes here. There are losers. Here is loser, here is loser. So in a choppy market, it doesn't work. But as soon as you catch the trend, you will do it big time. I'm telling you. I'll show it right now within a couple of minutes. So that's how it works. Let's come back to this 1 hour chart. So this is our story. Where were we? We were here somewhere. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, we're in June. I just want to show you here because the market is trending here. It just fallen here and just started rising. So as I shown in my starting screen at the beginning of this video, it was like that. So now, what's the story, Morning Glory? Next thing I would recommend you is to draw the channel line or trend lines, whatever you say. To draw the channel line, the trend line, as people say, it's something like this. We draw the line. Here is the one. As soon as the indicator shows grow and the price crosses above the line, so look what happened here. We got here the signal straight together with this cross. Before we haven't had. Look at this one. Here was a signal. Was it a signal? Yes, it was. Did the price cross the trend line? No, it didn't. It hit over here. It stayed here another hour. Here it crossed above, but there was no momentum. Here what happened? This long candle, I told you in one of my previous videos, market makers, the guys who assure liquidity to the market, they pushed the prices down. Here already was the sign of growth, of rising the market, but the market makers had to do their job. There was no selling, or there's no too many selling orders over here, so they just hit them out. There is stop lossing activity. So market makers hit the price here, hit the stop losses, because because here what happened is a slight divergence already. Look at this one, not very big one, but here was higher, indicator was higher and here was lower. In this way, I'll show you how it works like, or at least from this place is still, a slight divergence, and here let's say it was flat. Yeah. So already investors spotted that divergence and started loading up in the short positions. All this area was just packing up. People were packing up in short positions. Obviously the others try to sell and continue this business, but it didn't work. And what happened later on, so the market makers push the market. And here is the accumulation zone, accumulation area. Indicator shows already what's happening, but we had no signal yet. And the main trend line, this one, was intact, more or less. Only here, you got the signal, boom. Started. Same story here. The market started rising here. So from here we consider is a rising market, is an uptrend. What's happening next? What's happening later on? Let's draw another line. So here, those 2 points, it's just the beginning of the market. Let's change it on array. And here, you might see where the uptrend ended up. So here the uptrend ended up, and from this area we might already look for selling. And if wherever we get for selling here, we got this one, it's 10 pips and 15, 20 pips, we get out of the market. On the next one, probably the same. But look, there is no momentum, there is no movement here, there is no bigger candles. Here, something happens already, and we got the buying signal. If we buy here, we cannot buy because we are under the uptrend, under the trend line. So we are looking for selling. In this area, for selling, if we look after this candle, so here we had to put stop over here and then wait. And obviously the market shown rising, but every time it appears the red bar saying sell, we have to sell. That's how it works like. Because from here we might consider from this area started the downtrend. But already here, all this area is picking up the traders into the trap. That's what happens here. This is trapping area. The trend line was broken. There was new high and new low created, because here was a higher high and higher low last time. The new lows, new highs were created, and here is the distribution zone. Was enough capital, big capital was distributing. The longer the chop area is, the bigger money is involved in distribution. You have to remember that. That's very important. You can even draw a line where the distribution area is, where the selling level, final selling level is. There are some buyers here, obviously, because look, there was someone was trying to push the market already here. It didn't work. Again here, again here, again here. This line is very strong. As soon as it got broken, look here, this little candle, this area roughly was broken. Another one. The price closed over here. The closing price was right below this area. So the last one was here, and here slightly passed through. So already here the bears took control over the market. They pushed the market down. It came back. Those 2 weeks, you see, rejection weeks of this level, and that started boom, boom, boom. That's how it works here. Let me show you another one. So we got a falling market here, yeah? Look, if we draw a trend line here, let's say, and it's saying we are in a rising market. Yes, we are, obviously, short term. But what is here? It looks like, again, this area is or accumulation or distribution area. In a falling market, in a downtrend, would it be distribution or accumulation? It's just a station on the way down. When you see such a formation in a downtrend wherever, this area says the market is falling. Stay with me, bear with me. I will finish right now. I give you another example, and we'll go further. I'll show you another settings, how can you improve this fellow over here just to get better results. So we are here, but we got another top here. Let's draw this line through another top. Here we go. What does it say? The market is rising. Yes, it is rising. How much? 5 pips? 10 pips? These candles at the midnight GMT +1. So it's the middle of the night. No New York session, no London session, no Frankfurt. It's neglectable. So it should be neglected, such a signal. Here where we are, only here, 9 o'clock. The guys from City open the business. Look, boom, boom, boom. Already we see here in this area that the market came back under the trend line and continued. What happened here? Again, accumulation or distribution. What happened? What happened here? we've got very small candles. This is very characteristic, guys. We got here accumulation or distribution area. We don't know yet, but we know that the downtrend lasted just a good couple of days. We got the area when someone, again, or distributing or accumulating the currency, So here is the place which should be watched. We got the signal, 1, first, second, third. Already something is happening. It's not like here, 2 bars or 1 bar. Already something's going on. And what about our trend line? How it looks like when we draw it exactly on the spot, you see? As soon as the market went through, the candles became bigger. Boom! One movement, and we are done. And so on, and so on. Here, draw the line, another one. Look, we draw a trend line. Next one. Just here. What's happening here? The market's gone. Where we should get into the market? Over here. This candle. We got red already for a long time, but it's not certain. The market might have returned and went further up. That's the area. So, again, next one. Let's draw this one. We got the signal here. We buy here. Obviously. What is here? Distribution and accumulation. We don't know yet. So, same story. The market went through. Have we got any sell signal here or not? Let's have a butcher's. Yes, we have. After this candle, we sell. Boom. One candle. 1 hour, quick money, not very much. And again, how it works. Once again, in choppy market is a real problem because you get hacked over here and you will be trapped, my friend. So it doesn't work every time. Let's improve it. Let's try to improve it. I'll show you how you can improve this funny indicator to give you better signals. I'll give you an example. So we come back to our indicator. We add up condition over here. The condition is stochastic oscillator as it is baseline. Now the settings 233 and we do it 33 without 6 is above value of, let's say whatever, 60, 20, it's above value of 50. Or let's say 50. Okay. Simple condition. We add the same one over here. Is below the value of 50. Here we go. We added another condition. So when the commodity channel index period 55 is above 0 and stochastic oscillator is above 50, it will show us the blue bar. And another way, when the commodity channel index is below 0 and stochastic is below 50, it will show us the red bar. Let's see what's going to happen. What we have to do, we have to click source again, make copy, Ctrl V, go to meta editor, Ctrl A, Ctrl V, compile. Let's have a butcher's what's going on. That's the story. Now it looks different. Obviously it's not perfect, but it looks different. It shows us whatever it shows. We may also, look here, this is much better signals. You may also try to operate with these numbers, with these figures. It's very simple. If, let's say, for rising market, we make it only when the stochastic is over 70, let's say, and the other one is below 30. So it's much better condition. Again, we go source, copy, Ctrl C, go to meta editor, Ctrl A, Ctrl V, compile. And here we go. That's what it shows, such a condition. Now it's real bullshit over here, but whatever. You can operate these conditions Even we can do it when it's above 20, for example. So look, if we do it, that stochastic is above the value of 25 when it starts usually rising, and the other stochastic is below value 75, and we compile it, source, copy, Control V, and go again, meta editor, Control A, it's Control C here, sorry. Control C, and go meta editor, Control A, Control V, and compile, and now we got different story. Now look, it is, if you try this method, as I told you, it's 100%. So look, now, trend line, this one. This is my trend line. First signal here, wherever it is here. You sell it. Next trend line. Let's draw it here. Here's the trend line. Where is my first signal after trend line cross? Trend line has been crossed. Signal is here. You buy here. That's your premium. Next trend line. It's not that bad, guys. It's this one, where you got the signal when it's the crossing. You don't sell it here yet. But here you can do. The price already is here. Put the stop loss here. That's your premium, 80 pips. And so on. You go, guys. Try it at home. Try it on demo account, and you will see it will work. That's another one. Here. We draw the trend line here. That's how it's look like. Look. That's the trend line. That's what it says. Bam. We sell here. That's our premium. 10 pips. It's not much. We are on H4. 20 pips. Again, price went up, but we had no signal here. It's not lagging. This indicator is not lagging. It's showing exactly as it is. You got the signal, the price under the line or here under the line. You sell wherever it shows for selling. That's your premium. So here, the trend line is crossed. This one, whichever it is, the trend line is crossed. You got the signal in this area somewhere, on this candle probably, or on this candle. You buy. That's your premium. I hope you like it. Guys, write me a comment. What do you think about it? I just encourage you to use it to build your own indicators based on your own ideas. Just apply them to the chart, put some simple geometry, put some simple math, and go for it. Watch my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment. I'll see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.